Hello and welcome to a new episode of Easy English. Coronavirus reached the UK around the end of January this year, and with talks of an impending second wave and increasing restrictions, we're back in Brighton on a particularly windy day at the beach to hear people's stories of living amidst a global pandemic.
I've come from working in the NHS. I used to work at the hospital, just the Royal Sussex Hospital.
I'm quite a creative person, so before, like the lockdown, I was working a lot and studying.
I feel coronavirus has changed me in the fact that we just realise you've got to appreciate what's around you more.
I think you've got to find some routine and some reason to get up and get out of bed in the morning. Go for a nice walk, maybe. Talk to some friends you haven't spoken to and just take advantage of whatever new opportunities life gives you, even if it's taking some away and making things a bit more restrictive in some ways. You've got to enjoy the things you can do.
And I think with the lockdown was kind of that time to sit down and kind of review your priorities.
We've also got really creative, so over lockdown we created a pub in our house. So each room was a different bar in Brighton.
And a pub crawl in the house.
A pub crawl in the house.
My advice is don't let it affect you too much, and especially don't live in fear, because that's a terrible thing.